present did great. First flight, we're going to Washington, D.C. We got this carrier that can expand so she can have a little more room. Our room, very classic 2 queen beds. And this is a hotel near Seattle Airport. Bathroom. Have like a closet in the bathroom, kind of weird. Sink. And then it's pretty good size. We're usually not very fancy people that, you know, get a hotel for transfer flight. But we got to Seattle at 11. Our next flight to Japan at like 8 a.m. tomorrow. The whole day we have nothing to do. Thought we just have to get comfortable and have a place to lay down. And also to have a place to shower and rest. So that's why we chose a hotel today. And are you having fun? She did so good today. Oh my gosh. She did a yell, did a hiss. She just like chilling.
Much later.
Almost 12 o'clock. And we're ready to go to the airport to check in at 1:30. Our sleep schedule got messed up so much that I'm like so tired right now. Holy the people. Excited?
Very tired.
Wearing the white, chilling and packed. Thank you, Tanta. You want us to be number 1. Got our boarding pass. Our flight was supposed to be
8:50, I think, yeah.
and now it's postponed to 11:45.
Just means more time in an awesome airport.
We got here at like 12:30, 12 o'clock, and now it's 2:34. Just hanging out here. The lounges we want to go is not open yet, which sucks. The only place we can eat if we want. First time checking in with the AMC. It was great. They wanted to come in for 1:30 check-in. We got here like 12:30. Finish at 2:30-ish. But then they delay our flight, so we don't have anything to do until 11:45. Earliest lounges that we can go, I think, is like 5 a.m. So we have from like now almost 3 till 5 to kill.
Many hours later.
It's 4:30. And actually I feel really good.
You do?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like midnight for us, so I'm ready for go to bed.
I think I was just so tired and got such bad sleep for 2 nights that my body has like realized what happened, and it's like, alright, you're good. Yeah.
Have to whole bus ourselves. Army lodging. I have a bed, and then desk, a tiny kitchen. Have like this microwave, this is a refrigerator, and some pots pan, and then a bathroom. Pretty good size. The buttons are so Asian. Sort of weird lighting, but it's okay. After like how many hours of finally boring. Kinsama! The cones, they're not bad.
I mean, if there's a kind home here on Zama, knows you guys are gonna be.
I have so many pages too. Curry ramen, red miso ramen, spicy noodle, dandan mian. Taiwan. I can make this for you. Don't have to order here.
You should do it on the strong test.
Really?
Super tiny. Here, compared to other bases, it's teeny tiny.
Yeah.
I like kimchi fried rice.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Give me a soup.
yeah.
Because literally